Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. We are going to be learning how to turn off video download in the UpScrolled application. If you don't want to let others download your video that you post on UpScrolled, then with a simple step, you can simply turn off the video download option in UpScrolled so that you don't allow others to download your video. First of all, launch open the UpScrolled application on your smartphone and log in to your account. Once you're logged in to the home page, go ahead and click on your profile picture at the bottom right corner from the home screen, and from your profile section, go to the gear button at the top right. This will open up the settings menu. From the settings option, tap on Media. Under Media, you will see Enable Video Download by Others. If this option is turned on or it is highlighted with green, toggle off the button right next to Enable Video Download by Others button and make sure that it is turned off and it turns gray. Once you do that, you can now get back to the home page and do your thing. Once you turn that settings off, other people won't be able to download your content from your account. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.